Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcash on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to hide activities on your LinkedIn profile. You can hide your comments. When you comments on any post, it will show your connection that you have in your activities. Activities column. But with this setting, your comments will be hide to the others, or you can hide your updation to others. So how you can hide your activities on LinkedIn? So let's see on this video. So before we start, I'm requesting you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's start the video. So guys, here you can see this is my LinkedIn profile. And if I want to view my profile, just I need to click on this name. So my profile will be open, and you can see there is activities. You can see the activities option, which is public. Okay, so anybody can come to my profile and can see my job experience, anything, and my activities also. Okay, my certificates, everything. So I will show you how you can hide your activities from publics or employer or anywhere you want to hide. Okay, so first you need to come onto your profile. So there is another option. You can come to your profile, like click on your this me down arrow and click on view profile, and then same page, you will come on same page. Now you have to click in edit this public profile URL, and now the next page will be open public profile setting. It is profile setting. You can go from setting also. Just go to the setting, and here you can find public profile setting, where it is. Where it is public profile setting, I think security, visibility, yeah, public discovery, visibility, LinkedIn, and profile discovery, phone, communication, data security. Okay, okay, just follow the same step which I show you uh, before that. So just come to your public profile setting, and you can, if you scroll down, you can see your public profile visibility here. Okay, so I think you will find your visibility. Okay, this is same profile. You can go with the invisibility. Okay, from setting, in setting you have to go in visibility and click on edit your public profile, then say on same page you will come. Okay, now let's start with the video. Okay, so your profile, your public visibility, if you want full privacy, just off it. So your profile will be off, and it will be not showing public anything, like your control profile can be limited shown. Okay, the public is not available because the profile will public visibility off, means your public is visible, invisible for your public now. So just on it. And now if you want to only hide your activities, you can hide from here. Just off it, article and activities. If you want to hide website, you can hide a headline, you can hide details, you can hide your job profile experience from here. You can hide your details, you can hide anything from here. Okay, this is setting for public profile, so you can hide anything. So as of now we looking for activities, just off it and come back. Now your activities will be hide for your public or employer, anything, anyway. So I hope you like this video. Thank you.